Namaskar. Today, in this presentation, let us see how a point is operated in electronic interlocking system along with the flowchart and the latest RDSO guidelines. So, RDSO point operation in EI. This is the flowchart for point operation. Let us start from the relay room. Let us consider that presently the point is set and locked in reverse condition. In As the point is in reverse condition, RWZR, it is a latched relay, it will be in picked up condition, and RDKR, this is a relay which is also will be in picked up condition since the point is at present reverse. Now I want to operate the point to normal from reverse. So now the point command is given to be operated to normal from the VDU. Once the command is given, if all the other conditions are available, let us say it is an authorized operation, that is the SMS key in the VDU panel is in and point free indication is available, then we have output generated bits. They are NWCR and WJR. These two bits are output bits which are generated from the EI, and these output bits will pick up two relays, NWCR and WJR. Once these relays are picked up, what is the chronology of the relays that happen? Here RWZR, which is a last relay, get released. After that RDKR is dropped. WCZR relay picks up. After the WCZPR, this is a QBCA relay which is used in sending 110 volts DC to location. This relay picks up. Then NWZR, this is a latched relay which also picks up. And finally NWCZR, this is also a QBCA relay which also picks up. Because of these two relays, QBCA relays picking up, 110 volts DC is extended to location. Going further, the point is operated in the location. Points operates set and locked in normal position. So once point is set and locked in the normal position after operation, input will be coming from location to pick up a relay NDKR. Once this NDKR relay is picked up, NDKR input bit is given to electronic interlocking system. At the same time, this NDKR once picks up, the feed to NWZR, which was in picked up condition, is cut off. But the relay is in pickup condition only. As I have told you, NWZR is a latched relay. Hence, this relay will be picked up even when the feed is cut off. Similarly, WCZR, WCZPR, and NWCZR, these three relays also drop. Once these drop, 110 volt DC which is going to the location is cut off. Now let us see that in the form of a circuit. Point operation command is given from the VDU for operating the point to normal. So NWCR is the output which is coming and picking up NWCR relay. At the same time, we have WJR output and picking up your WJR relay. Here you must observe that the command ORLD, here it is in object controller 00 ORLD 02 card, while 03 card is for WJR. So generally NWCR and RWCR will be given from one ORLD card, while WJR is given from another and different ORLD card, not from the same card for safety reasons. Once these outputs are given, they are even feedback readback is taken into the EI stating that NWCR has picked up, and if required RWCR when the point is in reverse condition, and WJR also is a readback that is given to the EI after the relay is. So now let us see this main circuit, that is the point circuit with the WCZPR NWCZR and RWZR circuits. In this circuit, as we have already seen, NWCR is a output bit, and WJR, these are output bits which are already available. Going further in the circuit, you can see NWCR is in picked up condition, RDKR is dropped. With that first thing, RWZR is still in picked up condition, point is still in reverse. So with this I am releasing RWZR. With its own front contact I am releasing this latched relay. So first RWZR is released, or you can say dropped. Once RWZR is dropped, here you can see RWZR front contact is used for picking up RDKR. Once this is dropped, RDKR relay also drops. With RDKR relay drop, NDKR drop, RDKR drop, this is already in picked up condition output bit. We have WCZR pickup. Once WCZR is pickup, again with WCZR pickup, we are picking up WCZPR. This is a heavy duty QBCA relay. Once WCZPR, which is a QBC relay, picks up, then NWZR relay picks up. Here NWCR, NDKR, RDZR is dropped. With WCZR pickup, we have NWZR pick, which is a latched relay. This is a latched relay. This relay picks up. Once NWZR pickup, with this circuit, here again NDKR drop, RDKR drop, WCZR drop pickup, we have NWCR pickup. Now we are using this NWZR pickup, we are picking up NWCZR. This is again a QBCA relay. So with the two QBCA relays, 110 volts is extended to location, that is WCZPR. This relay already in picked up condition. NWCZR, this also we have picked up. With these two contacts available, 110 volts is extended to location. If the normal is operation is normal, this is the path, and if the point is again operated in the reverse, then this will be the path. This is for A end operation, while the other one is for B end operation. While negative we are taking in this path directly with WCZPR only. So once point is set and locked in normal position, supply from location B end point, A end point will come to our relay room. In this relay room, we are giving through the front contact of NWZR and back contact of RDKR to pick up NDKR. Here the incoming power supply, 24-volt supply, is not directly given to RDKR, but we are using two extra contacts here. This in a new circuit there is a change. These two contacts are not given. Instead, the output supply is directly picking up NDKR. We will see it in the next slides. Now with NDKR pickup and RDKR pickup, we are giving inputs to our EI. So with this point circuit, NDKR and RDKR is used in all the signaling. These bits are used in all the signaling circuits. Now let us. Now this is a latest circuit given by RDSO with alteration in the existing circuit. So this letter is dated 15/7/2025, and the implementation has to be done. The circuit is given in 25/6/2024. In this new bits, NDKR1 and RDKR1 are introduced by direct proving of point detection, and also use of NDKR1 and RDKR1 in FCO or logic circuit. The present circuit has the following deficiency. The hazard of point operation not corresponding to detection received in interlocking. इसका मतलब यह है कि अगर पॉइंट रिवर्स में सेट है और नॉर्मल का सप्लाई आ रहा है किसी वजह से, सो इसको डिटेक्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं। इस सर्क्यूट में, अभी के जो सर्क्यूट है उसमें हम डिटेक्ट नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि हम लोग अभी NWZR और RWKR ये दोनों रिलेस को NDKR पिकअप में लिए यूज कर रहे हैं। But in the present new circuit, there is a small change. RDSO approved the following changes in the point detection in the relay room. So new bits NDKR1 and RDKR1 are introduced. This is by directly proving the point detection. So no relays are used between incoming and picking up of NDKR. Directly supply is given to the input bit. And use of NDKR1 and RDKR1 in FC4 logic also. This has to be implemented in all EIs which in the next coming EIs. So above changes in the entire EI entails the following activities. यानी क्या क्या काम करना पड़ता है. So wiring of NDKR and RDKR should be done in the relay room. Similarly, allocation of input bit of NDKR1 and RDKR1. इसके पहले NDKR RDKR था, अभी उसका नाम चेंज होके NDKR1 and RDKR1, and its interface wiring with relays to output card, sorry, input output card. So in this way we have to use the input cards for taking the inputs. Similarly, changes in the EI application logic में भी change आएगा, and next FAT setup has to be done and SAT has to be done before final commissioning. Because we have done many changes, FAT and SAT has to be done for any change. Now, how the circuit is done? Here you can see point is set B end में or A end में, and the supply which is coming is directly given as input bit NDKR1. Similarly, reverse में set है तो RDKR1 will pick up. Previously, here two relays were available previous circuit, but in this circuit, no relay is used. The input is directly given to pick up this bit. Once the NDKR relay is picked up, this is given as input bit जिसका नाम है NDKR1 and RDKR1. Here the change is NDKR1 internal bit in the now this is picked up from outside. Supply is coming, this is a local 24-volt supply. This local 24-volt supply, local feed is used through NDKR1 relay pickup contact, NWZR and RDKR drop contact to pick up NDKR. Previously these two were used, this was not used. Now we have introduced a new relay. NDKR relay picks up. Similarly, RDKR relay also picked up. So it is a single cutting, double cutting is not required here. In this way, NDKR or in reverse RDKR is picked up through local circuit. Now same NDKR relay once picked up is given again as input bit. So here we are giving two inputs, NDKR and previously NDKR1. Now that we will use in logic circuits. In logic circuit, NWR pickup, RWKR drop, RWR drop, NDKR picked up. Similarly, NDKR1 also pick up. So this extra relay is now added in the logic circuit to pick up the logic NDKR relay, NDKR bit. In FC4 logic, you can see FC4 is normally picked up through either drop contact of NDKR1 or RDKR1. If both pick up, FC4 will drop and system will not give any output. So once there is any cable problem or any malfunctioning in the circuitry or any such thing, or forcibly picked up, NDKR pickup and RDKR pickup both pick up, then FCOR will drop. Previously, this facility was not there in the logic circuits. Now this is introduced, taking into account safety, especially of the recent accident that has happened in Balasore. Thank you. Jai Hind.